Hey you guys, thank you for joining my channel. Today we're going to be talking about short haircuts. Every day should be your runway, so use it wisely. Thank you for joining us today. CAJD Lifestyles with Sharice will be uploading videos every week. So stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like hair videos, if you like makeup, there will be absolutely a lot more of this. So don't delay. Click the button today. So I usually do my hair before I do my makeup. I have a shortcut, as you can see, but my hair was not always short. I actually had long, very lengthy hair to my shoulders, probably a little bit past my shoulders. And so one day I just decided to do a big chop. And it was like, it just needed to go. I just needed something new in my life. And sometimes we just need something new and exciting. So I love short hair because it's easy to maintain. I keep it moisturized and conditioned. I usually moisturize and condition my hair and wash it once a week. I use Jamaican black castor oil and cream of nature to moisturize my hair because I put a rinse in my hair about every 2 to 3 weeks. So it's always good practice to make sure that you keep it colored. So you guys, I meant to say conditioning, not coloring, but hey, coloring is good too, right? So the color I use is called Raging Red by Adore. It is absolutely an amazing color. It's not too expensive. I like it. You know, people have their preferences, but it stays in my hair long and it lasts a very long time. So, you can use clips to section your hair if you would like to, and you can also use hairpins. I usually use, curl in a row because it creates consistency for my curl pattern. So you just have to do what you feel like is good for you. So enjoy. So you guys, we are almost at the end. So my hair is so very thick. So I am just going through it. I go through it, piece by piece to make sure I have the best curl pattern. So I'm using some small 1/2-inch curlers, and they do wonders for the back of my hair because it gets those little pieces that people can see. They can see those pieces, you guys. So you always want to make sure that you are using this to your advantage, okay? Keep going. This look coming together. Yes, honey, these curls are coming out beautifully. Yes, yes, yes. So you see that I'm curling my front. So with my curl pattern, I curl my front how I want it to flow. So if I want it to be like in a mushroom, I curl it going towards the front. If I want it kind of feathered to the back, then I curl it going to the back or to the side. It just depends on how you want it. I wear my part on either side of my hair. One week I wear it on the left side. Next week I wear it on the right side. I used to have a preference, but with this shortcut, I have none no more. So it's up to you. This look is beautiful. Shortcuts are supposed to stand out, honey, so you better do your thing, okay? When you have these looks, you do not have to be shy with them. You can do whatever you want to do with them and make them look your own way. There's not a book you have to go by with these looks. So just continue to make it essential and sexy. Now comes the foundation. Hey, you use your brush how you feel, right? So I use a brush when applying my foundation. What I have learned is that everyone doesn't do makeup the same way, and that is okay. You are learning, you're enjoying, and you're just becoming who you need to be. So be fearless in your makeup doing. Be confident in what you're doing with your makeup. So for me, when applying eyeshadow, I start with a matte base. This helps with the pigment of the eyeshadow. For me, it works wonders. It makes your eyeshadow stand out more, and it also gives you a little bit of coating on your eye. So this is what I do, and I believe that it is like extremely beautiful, and it's essential. So enjoy doing your makeup and enjoy learning. Listen, you guys, don't let eyeshadow intimidate you, especially if you're a beginner. Listen, I have had so many people come up to me and tell me that my eyeshadow is pretty, and they love it or whatever, but it wasn't always like that. When I first started, it was ugly, if I'm gonna be honest. So you have to try. It's called trial and error. Get you some makeup and just try it out and see if you like it. I guarantee you'll be satisfied. So now we're doing the eyeliner and the mascara. So you're starting in the corner and work your way out. I don't wear lashes, you guys, and it's because of a long story, but I'm going to make it kind of short, right? So I used to wear individual lashes, and it took out all my eyelashes, and you don't know how you look, honey, until you ain't got no lashes. So I just have fun with my mascara, and I just use. Now we're at my favorite part, which is bronzer. I absolutely love applying bronzer to my face. It evens out the skin tone. You should make sure you apply it to your face and your neck. Some people apply it to other places as well, just depending on what you're doing. But I guarantee it's so beautiful. It brings out your face and brings out your total look. What I will also say is that when you're applying bronzer, it's up to you where you apply it at. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't depend on skin tone. You can apply bronzer if you're dark skin, light skin, whatever. They have different shades of bronzer for you to choose from. So you just do whatever it is that makes you feel beautiful. Now you see me putting on a little bit of lipstick, liner, and lipstick. I do believe that you should put on liner. I prefer brown liner over black liner any day of the week. So it is endless with lipstick. There are so many things that you can do with lipstick. So you see me putting on matte lipstick, and you see me applying a different color. There are so many different things that you can do with lipstick. I have watched numbers of videos with people doing different things. So just have fun with it. Let's talk about these edges. So apply a generous amount of edge control on your brush to get your sides slicked down. Listen, I use Seedman to get my sides slicked down. Now, Seedman is not your just, $5 brand. Seedman is about $25, but it is worth it. This product is not heavy, it's not sticky, and it doesn't leave a white film on your face, which for me is very important, right? So you get what you pay for. So now we're going to do the comb out of my hair. So I use a wide tooth comb to comb out the curls, and it gives a nice polished look. I absolutely love using these type of combs for shortcuts. It is ideal to use these. So you see me trying to work these curls, girl. Work these curls. Work the curls. I'm just having fun. So you guys, here's the finished look. It takes about 30 minutes or so to achieve this look. I mean, you can push it in 20 minutes. Now, I would suggest if you're trying to do it quicker, that you pin curl your hair up, the parts that you can pin curl up the night before, and then you just curl the rest. That way you don't have so much to do. I hope you enjoy this look. So yes, you guys, let's put this look all together. So you're going to see me with a blue shirt from New York & Company. It's a blue long shirt. I absolutely love New York & Company. They have plus size clothes. I'm a plus size girl. In shirts, I wear a 2X. Yes. So they have a lot of cute clothes for the young ladies that have a little bit more curves than others, right? So then you're going to see me doing some jewelry. And the jewelry pieces are from CAJD Apparel and More LLC, which are some of the newest pieces, nail bracelets, the cuff bracelets, screw bracelets, different things like that. So you can look them up at CAJDapparelmore.com. Then we also have the boots. And I am not certain where I got the boots from, you guys, but I will link it in the bio. So I hope you guys love this look. So now we have the finished look. Isn't it beautiful? So you can go out on a town with this, with your friends, family. This is a versatile look. You can do so much with this. You can even put a belt with this if you wanted to. You can add a fedora hat. There's so much. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.